And now, as a naturopathic doctor, seeing that benefit that patients get every day, it's very humbling, and I'm very proud and grateful to be a part of the profession and to be able to see the benefit that naturopathic medicine does have.
We have to be careful not to suppress, and so not all conventional medicine is suppressive, but sometimes it is suppressive. Whereas like naturopathic medicine, the goal is like not to be suppressive, but to be a facilitator of healing.
They're coming because they say, I think I'm actually quite healthy. I'm trying to do all the right things to live a healthy life, but I'd like to be more clued in and more knowledgeable, and I'd love someone to guide me and coach me a little bit and give me some tools so maybe I can enhance my self-care protocol.
We have the brains, we have amazing practitioners out here. We have amazing technological advancements now with some of the genomics and like gene testing protocols and like these comprehensive stool assessments and all of these really fantastic laboratory testing. The capacity we have within that context is huge. People don't need to be suffering the way they are.
Prevention and to healthy eating and lifestyle and to stress management, all these things that we talk about in naturopathic medicine that were not necessarily emphasized in my medical training. And even though I had the opportunity to go back to conventional medicine, after a few years, I realized that having a more holistic approach to health is something that could be of a great advantage to everybody, basically everywhere in the world.
Especially if it's a chronic thing, been going on a long time. With those clients, first of all, many of them have been to GPs, gastro specialists, and no one can find anything. So there's a lot of initial testing I like to do first to rule out certain things, whether it be food sensitivity testing, just some regular blood work. And then from that information, we could kind of tease out a little bit more specifically what's going on.
I have more time to give, more time to listen and acknowledge it really like on a human level, right? I think of myself once again as a support person, especially when it comes to pregnancy and that whole sphere. I think of myself as a coach and a facilitator.
Again, it's not just what I do, it's what the patient does. Right. Okay, and together, that's when you get the best results.